What's up, everyone? This is Scott from sleepandreview.com, coming to you from the Hilton at the New Orleans International Airport. At least I think it's international. That doesn't really matter. The point is, this is a pretty darn good hotel room. This is a lot better than I was expecting it would be, just based on what I saw on the internet before coming here and choosing this hotel online. I wasn't expecting much. But this isn't bad. It's a huge room. I don't know the square footage, but it's a top floor, 6th floor corner room, which I was able to select as I checked in on the mobile app. I could choose my room. They granted that request, and here I am. It's a quiet room. It looks, it looks like a Hilton, nothing fancy. That headboard and that dresser, that drawer there, it looks like the Hilton logo or something that I've seen that's very Hilton. And with the blue colors, and it's definitely very, very Hilton. Got some nice lighting here. Then you get over here to this part, it just falls apart completely. I'll get to the bathroom in a moment, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what this entire room consists of. So I think I've got the king bed here. I think that's a king bed. It's huge, must be a king bed. And then it's flanked by two nightstands. Typical hotel room stuff, nothing fancy. And yeah, for an airport Hilton in the US, this isn't so bad. As a reference, I recently stayed at the Hilton at the Munich airport in Germany, and that was just next level cool. But apparently Hiltons here in the US don't really have that kind of flair to them. So this must be the coffee machine, or at least the hot water maker. Not really much of a selection here, so if you're a coffee drinker, you're not probably going to be happy. So we got a nice desk and a huge TV. I don't know if this is internet enabled yet. I'll put it right here in I'll put a caption here telling you whether it is or isn't. That's a big deal for me. I like to have access to YouTube and Netflix when I stay in a hotel. Usually Hilton isn't so generous when it comes to that sort of thing, but yeah. So yeah, this is actually surprising. The carpet is cool. The textures are, it's not, like I said, it's not high-end design, but it's clean. It smells clean. It doesn't smell like bleach. It smells like flowers. It smells like something pure, not chemical, which is really nice. Got some drink maker stuff going on here. And it's kind of an old room. There's some rust and some other little crusty little details around, but can't complain. This phone is hilarious, by the way. What era do you think that's from? It's got to be like early 90s, maybe? It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. This is where you control the room temperature. It's 72 degrees right now, and which is actually perfect. I'm not too cold, not too warm. Down here, there is a little refrigerator, which is really convenient. I'd much rather have a refrigerator than a minibar. Minibars are just rip-offs, but refrigerators are definitely useful. So, and as we make our way to the bathroom, I'll show you the closet, which is never really exciting. Got an ironing board. There's an iron up there, and as usual, my stuff that I'm hiding for the video. And yeah, it's a closet. Basically, you can see the floor plan of this hotel. It continues all the way down here. This is only half of it. And I have got the corner room on the top floor. So yeah, bathroom. Yeah, this is what I was expecting. I mean, this is typical Hilton, and it's just I don't even know what to say. This shower curtain's kind of funny. It looks like a dress. It just with the hemline here. I don't know. It looks like a dress. I got some soaps, and the towels are actually a little bit thin. I'm surprised by that. Don't like that. I like thick towels. And then, basic shower, tub. I'm not sure I'd want to soak in that, but it'll get the job done. So it's a basic bathroom in an otherwise nice room. And yeah, if you're thinking about staying here and you're not sure if it's going to be a good deal or not, the airport is literally right next door. You could probably walk here, but it's much easier to take the shuttle. The shuttles run every 20 minutes, every 15 minutes. I'm not sure, but they're fast. It's convenient. do that instead. And yeah, if you can find a good deal, this is definitely the place to stay next to the airport. I think it's the closest hotel next to the airport. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments or any hate comments, or you want to be nice, want to say hi, I don't care, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll respond as soon as I can. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show you the view, which isn't surprising because, well, this is it. It's the back of the hotel, which overlooks a parking lot. And yeah, as you can see from both directions here, there's really not much to see. The view is definitely better on the other side because it faces the airport, but back here, it's nothing. Yeah, you can definitely see why I forgot.